What's up, guys? My name is Nikhil. Today I'm going to review 6 images sent by you on hashtag NikhilPal Photography. So, without wasting a second, let's get into it. First image I selected here is from Sahitya. Sahitya, this image is very good. Light is perfect, depth of field is also excellent. The only thing I want to point out here is that eye contact is missing, face is not visible. In these kind of frames, eye contact is very important. So what I'll suggest is try to position yourself or your vehicle in such a way you can get face also in frame. And other thing is, even if you are not able to get that, then you could have gone for some creative shots. If I would have been in your place, I would have tried for this frame. So in this way, you can take the advantage of depth of field if zoom is not the restriction. Second image I selected here is from Nishan. Nishan, this image is excellent. I love the background and foreground, but you did very common mistake in composing. While composing, make sure your horizon is either on the top line of this grid or on bottom line of this grid. So I'll show you both cases. If you'll keep it on bottom side, then the sky will come more in focus. But you can see this image improved drastically. Or if we'll keep it on top line, then foreground will come in focus. This also looks very good. So while composing, make sure you follow rule of third unless you have good reason to break it. The third image I received here is from Pratik Kumar Das. Pratik ji, this frame is good. You took aperture to f/8 to bring both the subject in focus, which is also great. But what I'll suggest is, in this kind of frames, this rock is our main subject. Keep this main subject in the center. Keep this rock in the center. You left more space this side and less space this side just to bring this eagle towards the center side. So now I'll crop and bring this our main subject in center, this rock in center. Okay, so now you can see this rock is in center and eagle is also almost following rule of third. And other suggestion I'll give is, this image looks very flat. This image is more brighter side. So you can play with black and shadows to bring contrast in this image. Fourth image we received here is from Shashwat Shaurya. Shashwat, first thing which came into my mind after seeing this image is that frame is very tight. So you should take this image at less zoom. Other thing is, you can notice these wings are blurry. So to avoid this kind of blur in action shots, try to decrease shutter speed till 1/2500 or 1/4000. This is possible only if light is good. Otherwise, you will compromise with ISO. Other thing is, as there is more than one subject, you have taken it at minimum aperture. To bring both the subject in focus, try to take this aperture till f/7.1 or f/8. As you can notice, these wings are out of focus. Next frame is from Kranti Kiran. Again, the frame is very tight. Colors are good, but you should always leave some space around the face of your subject. And the second thing is, there is no composition. And third thing is that this part is creating lot of distraction. You should do the selection and decrease the highlights and whites of this part to bring more attention to the subject. Last image we have for today is from Viren. Wherein I don't know you did it intentionally or not, your image lost the natural touch and it's more towards the artistic side. And other thing is, always spend more time with your subject. This is very common image. You should have wait for some time to give some special movement or give eye contact, which will make better frame. If you want your images also to be reviewed by me, just use hashtag NikhilPal Photography on Instagram. I hope this video will help you to improve your photography. Just follow me on Instagram. See you there. Have a good day.